Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. Psalm 19, verse 1 reads, "The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands." Recharge your life. To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.